Hey everybody, like a lot of people out there, I've thought about changing my shifter, and MGW I thought looked pretty good. I really like the white ball, but it would be the only thing white on the car. I decided to go with a red ball shifter, and this is from Twisted Shifters. You can see it has the billet in that's specific for our car. This will go right on the stock shifter. Now the ZL1 already has a short throw shifter, and I'm pretty happy with it. I can shift consistently with it, and I don't have any problem with that. Plus the fact the MGW with the shift knob was close to $500. This was a tenth that price, and it should just go right on. They have different styles, so check them out. All different colors, different styles. It comes with the mounting screw and the O-rings. I'm not sure what the O-rings are for. I think it might be possibly to help hold the boot on. Maybe keep the boot ring that goes up and clips around here, maybe to keep that from rattling. I'm not exactly sure. It didn't come with any instructions. So let's go put it on and see what it does. Okay, so to remove the stock boot, just going to grab this ring and turn it about 1/4 of a turn, and it should drop down enough to expose the screw. It is a T20 Torx. Take that out, and that just comes right off, and you can see where it was camming there. Put that one down. Let's see what's so special about this, why it definitely makes it look shorter. Okay, I'm not liking what I'm seeing. Well, let's try it anyway. So we're going to take their screw. It's a number, takes a 6mm Allen key. Let's make sure it can even go in there first of all, so I don't booger up my threads. It does not look like it's going in. It is not going in there. Okay, so I'm going to use the stock Torx bit, and comparing the threads on top of each other, they look like they're close, but I don't know, they just don't seem to fit very well in there, and I definitely don't want to strip this out. Doesn't look that great anyway, but I'm going to use a stock screw because I think it'll fit. Yeah, it doesn't fit very well. The ball actually feels pretty good. The markings on top are not straight. The first to second shift line should be parallel with the center here. It's off by quite a bit. You can see it's kind of going off on that angle. Should be straight. You can't twist it either. It's fixed from the factory. This is a disappointment. Okay, well, we're going to return it. The look is okay. This is obviously loose, and yeah, and even if I put those O-rings up here at the top, it's not going to stabilize this thing. It's still going to be moving around. It shouldn't be doing that. So no, I'm gonna return it. So my review on this shifter is not very favorable. Might work in your application, might work with your shifter. It does not work with the stock ring. And they do make nice shifters. Check them out. Might be something right for you. It didn't work in my application, but I see a lot of applications where these would be perfect. So don't discount them on this review. It just didn't come up to my standards. Yeah, check them out, and we'll see you on the next video.